Tesla was founded in 2003 and is one of the first companies in 90 years to be recognized as one of the first successful American automobile company. Tesla was able to successfully gain a large media interest due to its unique battery-powered cars and line of futuristic products. Not to mention that the Tesla's founder, Elon Musk, has a huge following due to his other business ventures.
Side boosters, landing legs have deployed.
One of the most important reasons why Teslas are in such high demand is because Tesla is able to deliver one of the most futuristic and high quality products in the market. They are able to achieve this with their highly recognized Tesla factory. From the manufacturing standpoint of things, Tesla factory produces its Teslas much differently compared to its other competitors. Unlike other automobile industries, Tesla's all-electric cars require a very unique part that requires unique manufacturing processes. Most of everything that Tesla assembles, manufacture, and produce is all done in-house. So, let's look at what the process looks like for the Model S. The process first starts with the general assembly of the chassis, which starts with the prepping the raw material such as aluminium. The raw material weighs up to 20,000 pounds. They use a blanking machine to uncoil and cut to appropriate shapes using laser cutters. And finally, the pressers press it into part.
Boom!
Every part takes about 6 seconds to produce. They are then brought to the general body shop of the factory, which is primarily automated. Tesla has 160 robots and 3,000 workers. Starting with the underbody, the process adds reinforcement and the outer skin. Eventually, all the sides of the part come together. They use 5 different joining methods to achieve this. They use adhesive, self-piercing rivets, cold metal transfer, conventional resistance welding, and delta stop welding system. By the time it exits the general body shop, the entire chassis is complete.
The painting process is all done by very sophisticated robots in a clean environment. It undergoes multiple pre-treatment, primer, base coat, and the paint coat. After the car is painted, it is sent to the general assembly line. Tesla has these smart cars that follows the magnetic strip around the factory, and it undergoes the process of general assembly that starts inside out. Tesla highly promotes the process of automation. One of the robots is able to put the seats together and then apply adhesive to the windows and put the window together on the car. This process is all done by the same robot. Then the doors and tires are put together, as well as the control systems. They have in-house engineers who are able to produce all of this in the assembly line. Once the car is completed, it goes through 5 hours of quality tests, such as water testing, shake and rattle testing by driving on top of 6 different textured roads. A Model S can go from raw material to a completed product in 3 to 5 days.